So the Quran changes your perceptions and changes the way you think about the things that are happening all around you. A simple example of that, the Quran talks about plants coming out of the ground. He says every time you forget about Judgment Day, just remember plants come out of the ground. Whoa, wait. So now plants coming out of the ground, according to the Quran, are a reminder of what? Of Judgment Day. What could be? Can any of you tell me, what could be the relationship between plants coming out of the ground and Judgment Day? Life out of death. And we're going to be underground, and then Allah is going to bring us out of the ground. And so if you're in doubt about resurrection, then just look at plants coming out of the ground. Now, when I think about a plant, it is now forever changed. You know, guidance brings different kinds of goodness. Did all the Sahaba have the same kind of goodness? No. Some Sahaba, their excellence was in spending, others in battle, others in learning. You know how Allah describes this? Allah sends rain from the sky, and different color, beautiful plants come out of the ground. Same water, same dirt. Same Quran, same human beings. But when the Quran comes inside, different kinds of goodness comes out. Just like different color flowers, different kinds of trees. Subhanallah. When you see a field of flowers in a botanical garden, now you're not thinking just about flowers. What are you thinking about? The different kinds of good that people do. How not all of us have to be the same to be worthy of appreciation of Allah.